Hey, what's up? Today we are going to run my original 80s Monster Beetle. Well, it is actually a combination of my brother's Mud Blaster and a Beetle sold to me a few years back. Both share the Tamiya ORV chassis, which has a bunch of issues on gears creaking and parts breaking. I had to combine the parts from the two vintage kits just to have one complete truck. I obviously chose the Beetle body over the Brat since it's much more unique and iconic. Inside the nice pink exterior, you will see some makeshift repairs I had to do just to keep the truck running. I do have some upgrades planned for this truck and will share more once the parts arrive. They are mostly to make the chassis stiffer and stronger so I don't have to glue everything together after every run. For now, let's give this 80s icon a proper run. Enjoy!
Together here today to take a vow of faith. Then what's with all the rich and handsome dirty talking? Why does she look in pain? Just to be wonderful, but much more singing and mellow. Now the ceiling has the blinding crystal heart that dazzle, but nothing's beautiful. But I wanna be around for this penthouse parade. Hope the street, it's not forsaken place. Why won't they understand what they just gave away? Oh, help cannot take it for another second without these faces. Can't you see that love is hated? Bride is baited and the groom is sick and it can't be treated. The well looks nothing short of crazy. Stop.
Total wreck.